My name is Ken. You are rolling with Ken. It is fall 2023. We're downtown here at Discovery World. What's going on? You can see me in the glow of the mirror. See, I'm pretty bundled up. I got my electric socks on, and I'm riding on the VeeGo 750 today. The VeeGo 750 is 750 watt, 52 volts of pure riding fun. Nice, soft, big seat adjustable handlebars, throttle. Got these big, huge 20-inch by 4-inch wide knobby tires, gas suspension, as well as great disc brakes. So we're gonna go take it out for a roll right now. Put a few accessories on, like this speaker, and I have a color display and a rear view mirror. So we're gonna go ride along Discovery's ramp here. You can see that's what I'm doing right now. Just rolling along on the bike. It's kind of a cool thing. This little wood deck. You can kind of see the people, but you can see me, you can see the lake. All sorts of stuff going on down here at Discovery. People eating. Me, I'm just riding my bike. Let's go a little straight here. Oh, that's rockets, all sorts of maker stuff. Wow, these guys are making all sorts of things. Robots. We got a lot of different displays going on inside the Discovery World. But for right now, we're out of it. We are rolling on the VeeGo 750 on a beautiful fall day here at fall 2023, downtown Lakeside, Milwaukee. You are rolling with Ken. What's up? You go all the way out and you're on the breakwater. This time of year there's no cruise ships showing up, so don't got to worry about them blocking it off. We have a clear flight in. This nice smooth part of, this is Lakeside Park or maybe part of Oakleaf. I'm not really sure. I know it's kind of a cool place to go. You can check out the water. Check out things from a different perspective. Summerfest ground, Discovery World, the Hone Bridge, the inside water, the outside water, the piers they use to hook the boats up, these little runways. Man, they race out of there, especially when the Coast Guard comes. Boom, they race out there in those little things to jet the boats up onto those big, huge line holders. And there's downtown. It's the east side, all the high-rise where people live. The art museum, you can see the Soleil, the shade is open right now. We got all sorts of building projects going on. The distance, you probably could see those as well. Again, Discovery World right in front of me. So, great facilities here down by the lake in Milwaukee. Again, we're riding on the VeeGo 750, and I'll tell you, the ride is so smooth. That seat is so soft, and with the springs and the adjustability of these handlebars, being able to put them up a notch. I don't gotta ride low, I could ride nice and high. The seat adjusts in all sorts of directions too, so it's oh no, these guys are coming down here. See if they want to race. Oh, so these guys are done racing now, they're just cruising around. You guys should go take a ride over there. Right down along the pier. There's nobody to bother you. How fast you go? Oh yeah? No kidding. 25, huh? Yeah, I told them they should go down that way. Nah, shush. Dude, no one's gonna bust you. No reverse. No ability to do circles. All right, so we're going to leave those guys and go around the restaurant over here. It's pretty much closed for the winter, but usually there are people out here on the deck enjoying a cocktail in the afternoon with a little bit of music on the upper scale of things. We have the parking, valet parking going on, and definitely a date-worthy type of a place. But for right now, we're just going to... gosh, I'd like to go that way, but I really don't want to ride in the bird yuckies. So I think we're going to wind up going down this way for a second, but calling the ride here in a little bit. I still have about an hour to go to get back home. Not a problem. We ride along the breakwater here. Beautiful downtown Milwaukee on the VeeGo 750. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken as we pass the art museum. Really cool looking building. Really neat inside too. And over there is the War Memorial. It's pillbox shaped. And then we have Veterans Park over in the distance. Even more space and more facilities along the lake. But for now, we're going to go up past the Art Museum extension, right in front of the War Memorial, into the War Memorial parking lot, past the giant love sign. Get a little view of downtown, the lakeside. Some of the wild foliage, which is pretty much gone. I mean, they've really cut it down. Wow. They did the hack job. Stuff was like 3-4 feet tall. Incredible. Huh. Well, it will all grow back soon. But for now, let's stop. Like I said, VeeGo 750, smooth. As far as speeds go, it likes to do a solid 22. It can do 22 miles for maybe 30 or so miles. It will definitely do 28. It could do more if you're going downhill or giving it some input. But it likes to do 16. It likes to do 22. There's certain speeds that it likes other than others. I got 9 different power adjustments, so I could ride at a various segment of speeds. But I'm just saying my personal experience has been around here we've been going about 12 miles an hour, kind of slow, and using very, very little battery, mostly my pedal inputs. And just saying, the bike after 5,000 plus miles, let's see what we at. Are we at 5,300 yet? Yes, 53:33 on the dot. If you can see that, 53:33 on the dot. So that's kind of cool. So that's it for now. My name's Ken. You've been rolling with Ken, downtown Milwaukee, fall of 2023.